Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do the build of the Ford Bronco. I believe it's a 73. It's a Revell kit, 125 scale, and it is kit number 85-4320. This one came out a couple years ago, 2021. Yeah, I picked it up earlier this year. I'm going to go ahead and build this one for you today. So, I'll be right back. I'll lay everything out and get right back to you. Wow, I'd forgotten how many parts were in this kit. There's a ton of stuff in this one, guys. The instruction booklet is like a novel here. There's 28 steps on this one. So, alrighty. I'll get to separating parts and maybe I'll start painting and gluing. We'll see what happens. I'll be right back, and thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos if you enjoy my content. I appreciate it. Share it with your friends. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And most importantly, come on back. Well, there it is, folks. About 20 minutes later, and all of those parts trees are emptied out. The only thing I didn't cut off was the chrome or the glass pieces, because those are just tucked away in a box till I need them. Now comes the fun part of picking out colors and gluing together what can be glued beforehand, which is always easier, because that way you don't have to worry about scraping off paint to glue two parts together if they can go together before you paint them. So, everything came off the trees real easy. I didn't see any issues. I've got a couple of rights and lefts that are already marked off, so I don't have to worry about which number goes where. And then we'll be on our way. I'll see you in a little bit. Well, this is how it turned out, folks. This here is the 1973 Ford Bronco by Revell, and came out pretty nice. Not a whole lot of issues that I run into on this kit. It does have the sliding spare tire, swinging spare tire, so you can see the Ford logo there. Kit itself was decent. It was a good build, fun to build, easy to follow instructions. No major complaints really, other than some of the parts are kind of small and my big fat fingers were having trouble with them. Other than that, come along nice. I got a little bit of glue daubs on the window there. You can see it kind of right here. It ran down a little bit, but it's clear enough to where if you hit it at the right angle, you don't even see it. But come on, nice. It's a purple with a orange cream kind of interior, and the top comes off. You can see the details on the inside, the side panels by the doors, and the seats. Those come out nice. Dashboard is yeah, nothing to write home about. A couple little gauges and that's about it. Everything's still drying, so I can't pick it up to show you the bottom. There's not a whole lot of detail on the bottom. The most detail on this kit was the actual four-wheel drive units and the shocks and the linkage and that for the front steering. That was very nicely detailed, but not a lot you can see from up here. Let's see the hood. Engine's decent. Well, yeah, I just noticed I forgot to highlight the cables on the battery, the positive and negative leads on the battery. But other than that, come out nice. So that's another one in the books. I thank you all for stopping by, and as always, have yourselves a great day and keep on modeling. Model Car Guy Rich out.